Hi, this is Stella, and I'm going to talk about keeping up with registration during the week of registration. When registration begins, we will first have the teachers that register and then returning families. After the returning families, alumni will get a chance if there's any spaces, and if there's spaces after that, our wait list will get a chance. Registration takes about a week, and there's a lot to keep up with there because there's a lot of different scenarios that could happen. To view the registrations as they come in, you can go to Dashboard, and you can get there two ways. You can hit the registrations here, or you can choose the coffee icon down here and go up to registrations. Both paths take you to the same place, and you will see all of the registrants registering for classes. Now currently, last semester we had where the parents were registering, and so their name came up first. I'm hoping to get this changed to the student name so we can see duplications easier. However, if that doesn't work out and you are concerned that a parent has double registered a child for the same class, you would come through and hover under the class and click View Registrations. Now this takes you to all the registrations for that class. You would look for that parent, and on the right there's a clipboard icon, and that goes to the registration details. If you scroll down, you see the student's name, birth date, and so the information needed for that. That's one way to keep up with the registration. That is going back to the list of registrars now. That's one of the things to look for is double registrations. Sometimes parents will start registering and they have difficulty, and so they end up doing the registration over again, and the child ends up registered twice. The other thing that can happen is that sometimes, especially new people, don't realize that there's a 3 cap limit for the first beginning of registration, so that each child has a good chance of getting their top 3 classes. And so they will register their child for more than one class. If that is the case, I usually contact the parent and ask them which classes they would like to delete until then. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to change the registration status for that person. So say in drumming, we have someone that needs to change their status. We would go and find that. You would click that and then go up here to bulk actions and change their status. You could decline registration or you can cancel registration. Either way, the system is supposed to, if working properly, take that registration off. You will notice on the side here we have a green bar. If you hover over that, it tells you what the color codes mean. The green is approved, but when you decline it, will turn pink, or canceled, it will turn gray. So you know for the true registration of the class, the registrants will be green. Another way to check on how things are going is to look under the registration for each class. So under that, for that, you would hit Events, and then you will see the list of classes. You can come over here to this group icon and hit View Registrants, and this will show you how many people are registered for that class. Like for this class, no one's registered yet. That's because that was a sample class. But if we go down to a class that was last semester and view the registrant, you will see all these have registered for that class.